If I only had a partner just like the rest. Yeah. Yep. Behind the pool, on the deck, in the pool. And over there especially. Yep, getting sick and tired of that. Oh, ow! I don't think I'm in a mood to clean up. Who cares anyway? What's that point? This sucks. Hey, what do you want, you mud? Sorry, Peter. I just say you got problems here. What we all do. What we all do. Oh, you can talk? Of course I do. What, you don't talk, you talk too. You're a monster. Yeah, and you're a dog. Well, yeah, I'm a talking dog. I was a bandit, by the way. And I'm homeless. And every time I talk, I do barking noise every time I talk. And I'm hyper too. So sorry about the jumping on you, pal. Well, yeah. That kind of woke me up, all by the way. And I don't even know how to clean that. Hey, I'll clean. Whoa. Oh. Hey, I'll clean that for you. You will? Yeah. What's this? Oh, say, watch. What? Well, what's this? Licking? Ew. Who does that stuff? This is how I clean. Don't worry, I can get the taste off. You're supposed to clean off, not cover the face. Oh, what to do? Well, I didn't really know how, but you have to find a real way, so good luck with that. Hey, wait. Yeah? You're homeless? Yeah. Oh, that's too bad. Let me clean you up there. Really? Yeah, come here. There you go. Nice scarf, by the way. Thanks. Pretty good. A homeless dog like you. Say, maybe you could take care of me. Actually, what's your problem, by the way? Oh, you see, I work part of a plumbing service group. Well, they're actually my friends, actually, so that's okay, but the problem is, I got no partners. No boss, who basically is in charge of putting us to jobs, which he has a boss too, basically, like, well, all of us, basically, so, that's his job to do. So over there, we got two friends over there, two behind the pool, working on the filter, and he's up there with his son. I don't know what they're doing. Yeah, so I'm the only one left. I got nobody. I'm just a monster who sleeps in the closet and used to scare. I used to be enemies with all of them, but then I turned out to be good. Whoa, I could be your friend. Yeah, I could be your best friend. Yeah, that's what I need. That's what I am. Actually, that's what you are, Monster's best friend. Huh. Yay! I could be your best friend. Like man's best friend. Oh, by the way, my name's Spike. Sully. My real name's JP Selvin, but Sully is a better name to call me. Oh, okay. Sully! Yay! Alright, boy, get off me, boy. Sit. Alright. You know what? Why am I doing with a stick? Oh boy, I want a boy. Alright, there's one around here for you to play with. I'll go look this way. I'm excited. Yeah, sticky stick. What can we find in the stick? Ooh, oh, this one. We should break it in half. Yeah. There we go. Ha! Spike. Ready to play, boy? Yes. All right. Here's the stick. Go fish. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Oh, you fetch. You go. Here, I'll let you fetch. Do that. Well, over there. Hey, what the heck? Hey, baited the mutt. That's the second person called me a mutt. Anytime I need my friend. Oh, really? Hey, are you one of Sully's workers, Sully's friends? Well, yeah. You're a talking dog. Me and Spike. I'm Tony. Tony Mario. And that's Frogger up there. Hey, what's going on? Hey, you found a dog. It's actually Sully's dog. Sully's? That's when you got a dog. I'm homeless. Help me sweep, by the way. Oh. Spike. Oh, he went over there. Spike. Hey, leave Tony and Frog alone. Why? They're working. Yeah, they're supposed to be working too. I kinda lost track because I met him. Oh, this looks cool. We got a pet now. He's my best friend. Basically, so I got a new partner. And he's basically a dog. So, yeah. Whoa, Sully. Cool. Go introduce VT. Alright, let's go, you. Come on, boy. Nice to meet you, Tony. Become good friends. This way. Ah! Hey, Frogger. Sully got a partner now. Well, Louie too would have been his partner, but I don't know. Well, good for Sully. And help me, I can't even move. You want help, huh? Yeah. Ah! Oh! Restart. Oh god, that was a messed up part. For the audience. Oh really? Yeah. Alright, let's do this. You were saying? I said... Oh, I mean... Ah! Oh! Quit goofing off. Don't find pets like Sully did. You'll be screwed. Ow. Alright, let's get up with all this mango stuff here. Hey, Ichi. Sully, what are you doing here? How come you're not working? I was, but I ran into a new friend. He's over there. Come here, boy. A dog? What are you doing with a dog? He's my new friend. This is Spike. This is my boss, Ichi. He could be yours, but basically, you got to stick with me. I don't do... Oh! Yeah, I'm sorry. Hey, come here, boy. Oh, wow. Did your friend just climb in the wall of chalk? Well, he helped me. Oh, really? Hey, not bad. You missed the spot. Wow, he's in. Welcome aboard, boy. No, I can't, huh? That's how he says hello to everybody. I'm sorry you found new friends. Well, good for you. I'm gonna go play with him and get to know him more now. Well, since it's his first day and you're friends and he's your new partner, well, go knock yourself out. You're done for the day. We can deal with that another time. The important ones are over there, the job, so you guys, thank goodness. How's Tony and Flogger doing? Oh, we saw them. They're gonna do okay. Alright, excellent. Everybody's doing awesome. I didn't really check them over there. Actually, Louie did. They're having a hard time over there. We can go help them. Alright, see you later, Ichi. How's Louie doing over there? He's doing kind of swell. Hey, Louie! Yeah. You forced moving around a lot. Yeah, this is cool. I'm got power. Yeah. I gotta stay and watch him still. Alright, good luck with that. Alright, come on, let's go, Spike. Let's go, buddy. What a beginning of a new friendship, huh, boy? Yeah! You're half best friend and half a pet. Hey, Plumber! Go get him. Hey! You too! Beat him, yeah. Mike, I've got sick of being called Mutt. Oh yeah? Who else called you Mutt? I did. What did you do, Sully? Oh, none. Just when he ran to me first. Oh yeah, that's my new dog. And friend, Spike. Ah, but what about them calling him Mutt? Well, that's when I met. Then I ran to Tony, and he called him that. Now you. Ah, how you doing with this? Not so good. I can't even get this up there. Can't reach up to Rico. Help me. Alright, let's lift this. Hey, you can help, boy. Alright. You ready, boy? Go! Rico, catch it! Oh, got it, mate. Alright, hook it up in there. Right. You did it wrong. Ah! Oh! You gotta put it here. It broke earlier, look. Success! We've been trying that for hours. Yes! Wow, you guys are dumb. Look at you, I heard you guys were doing the hardest job today out here. Oh yeah. Why didn't you tell me it was under there? You might, we're down here. Quit fighting in front of Spike. Said me, Spike. Quit fighting in front of me, I mean. Oh. So, what are you guys gonna go do now? Well, I'm done for the day, so looks like I got a new partner. At last. Wow. He's awesome, this dog. And I'll take good care of him and make sure nothing happens. Yep, yes indeed. Alright, Spike, let's go. Hey, where's Spike? He was over here when you ran. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, crap. You better go find him. I'll go find him, alright. Alright, we'll deal with him later. Let's deal with him later. So let's just clean up now. I guess we got done. Tell E.T. that was a hard job. And we didn't know where to put it. He didn't even tell us. I know, mate. I can't believe it. He waited that kind of hours. I wouldn't turn if I would probably doing better than us, cause this sucks. Yep. Spike! Spike! Where are you, boy? Oh no. Spike! 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 No!